Hello folks, welcome back to Outdoors with Mike. In today's video, how to make lemonade slush at home if you're 100 kilometers from the slush machine. To make our slush, we need a bag of lemons, and we'll squeeze the juice out. It'll fill one of these, and that'll be about 500 milliliters. Yeah, 500 milliliters. I got this from Walmart. You put it on there, the lemon, and then you turn it. It comes out fast, much better. You could even have one of these. These work too. Then you spill it out. Yeah, we'll squeeze out our lemon juice. Then we got our bowl. We could put it in. And then we'll need one cup of sugar. And if you're diabetic, you can just use lemon. You could try this to sweeten it. Yeah, and you need 15 cups of water. It's like one pitcher of this and half. Yeah, 15 cups of water. All right, how to make lemonade slush. Let's get the juice out. All right, continuing on. Yeah, that's what we need. This is all the products. A recap: we'll need 1 cup of sugar, and if you're diabetic, you can use lemon. You can try it to sweeten it again, and we'll squeeze the lemon out. We need a bag of lemons and 15 cups of water, and we'll put in a bowl. And I saved the ice cream pail. We'll put it in the ice cream pail once we got it all together, and we need it in the fridge for 8 hours. 8 hours, and every hour keep turning it as it becomes slush. Then you'll have your slush all good like that. If you can see that, it needs to go in the fridge a little longer. I had it out. Yeah, let's get making the how to make lemonade. Okay, we're gonna get our cutting board out, our knife. And we'll cut the lemons on the board, and we'll put it on here. Then we'll squeeze the juice out of our lemons. We need a bag of lemons. We'll cut it. Look at that. There's the lemon, folks. Yeah, we'll cut them. We'll cut them up. Like that. I'll show you a few what I'm gonna do. All right, there's our lemons. That's what I'll cut them all, and I'm gonna do it all, but I'll show you how I'm gonna prepare it. We'll get our Walmart lemonade juicer distractor. Okay, look at that, folks. Look how that works from Canadian Walmart. Yeah, there's one. Look at that. Took it all out. And then we'll do another one. It takes the seeds out, catches the seeds too. There. See the seeds, folks? And there's our lemon. Look. We need a lot of lemon to fill this up. Like a whole bag. Yeah, how to make slush lemonade. Two, check out how this works. Yeah. One more for you folks. Yeah. Look at our measurement. Our lemon made 200 milliliters. Two lemons. 2.5 lemons. Yeah. All right. I'll do all the lemons. Then I'll show you the next step. I'll get the lemons all diced up. Okay. All right, folks. I'm done getting the juice in our juicer, and we got 4 left in our bag, our bag, and then we need 600 milliliters. 600 milliliters or 500 milliliters. Or one of that. And we use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lemons to get 600 milliliters. And this works good. Look, it catches the seeds. And that's all the seeds that came out. And yeah. And we got our juice. We got our lemons ready to go. We'll pour our lemon in. And then next is our sugar. This is 1 cup of sugar. You can use 1 cup if you like. I'm gonna put 1.5. More for like young people. And if you're diabetic, you can use honey to sweeten it. Lemon's very good for you, and honey. Sugar's not good for you, but it tastes good, just like the slush machine. But anyways, 600 milliliters of lemon. That's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lemon, and a cup and a half of sugar. Okay, now we're put our water in. We're gonna put 15 cups of water, which is one pitcher. 1 pitcher and half. We'll get half of water. Okay, another half a pitcher. So 1.5 pitchers, which is 15 cups of water. Then we'll stir it so the sugar dissolves, and we'll put it in the fridge for 8 hours, and we'll stir it every hour. We'll stir it so it becomes slush. How to make lemonade slush. Yeah, I'll get this in an ice cream pail, and I'll show you when it's done, folks. Alright folks, how to make lemonade slush. It's all mixed up. Got it in my ice cream pail. We're gonna put it in the fridge for 8 hours. 8 hours, and I tested it, kind of a little sweet. And you can put a cup of sugar if you like, or else 1.5 cups. Preferably 1 cup. We'll put it in the fridge for 8 hours. Yeah. And you can start eating it at 7 hours if you like. And every hour, stir it every hour when it gets slushy and frozen. Keep stirring it every hour and eat it when it turns to slush. Alright, continue on. Alright folks, our lemonade is done. It's been 7 hours. It was in a fridge. About 8 hours. We'll check it out. It'll be very delicious. Right there's the lemonade, folks. Look. Nice, homemade. See? You hear that? Yeah. Oh, let's get some and we'll try some. Homemade lemonade. How to make lemonade. We'll get a cup. And we'll pour some in the cup. Oh, nice lemonade. Look at that texture. There's some juice in there. It could go in a little longer. You keep mixing it every hour. Okay, we'll put our lemonade in there. Okay, just to show you guys, look, it looks good. How to make lemonade. Right there. We'll take a spoon of it. Oh, the lemonade. Look right there. Okay. Let's try it out, folks. Oh, sorry. It's gonna be so delicious. Right there, you could try it at your place. If you're 100 kilometers from the slush machine. Mmm. You could taste that fresh lemons. Fresh lemon taste. Yeah, it's gotta go in the fridge a little longer. You keep checking it every hour, stirring it till it's slush. Mmm. Yeah, you also could use if you're diabetic, you can use don't put sugar. You can use just lemons and honey in there. It'll be to sweeten it. Yeah, one more bite for you. Mmm. Yeah, it's very good. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it was educational. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.